Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Union Minister of State Independent Charge of Science and Technology, Jitendra Singh henne kasngi ulaple ya ummau nongrim, bante ya ka Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, ha Sauli New Shillong. Kani kande ka sien jam banyat shakmat lingba ka NECTAR, khamtam ha ka bayade bat ki kam ki bathamai, bat ki kor ki board jong kani ka juk bamanta ha Northeast India. Kajingte ya ka Nectar Office labu thongban pendep hapo ar laisnem, bat kajingtre kan sedang no shen. Habakren bakinong thok khubor hadien baladep ban play pat ba ya umau nongrim, Jitendra Singh ulaong ba kani ka institute kan pet ya baro ka way ka Northeast, da ka ba ay jeng hikai ling ba ki kor ki bor jong kani ka juk sha ki tu ki ba sengkam sengjam. Badru na kabenta ki mission baper kum commission honey bat commission B. Udan ka jingkarman ka bakraw baka thanj te lami ngi kanlong ka way ka saffron hub jong ka India hadien ka Jammu and Kashmir. Ula benrap da ka baong ba umintri rang ba do kari Narendra Modi ula de penbet banra ya ki artali ki jaka ka Jammu and Kashmir bat ka Northeast bakin poi sha ka ju ka kardan kumbalong ki way. Ha kani kasngi ladon ru Director General Connector Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma ki officer jong kani ka shlem ki badai na ki jilla bat ka Central ki kinhun ki badan benta bat ki way.
By the SSG artisans of Gardner Hills, promoting under Day and Night, showcasing their tribal craftsmanship, rich culture motifs, and vibrant natural dyes. Our commitment towards entrepreneurship and promoting the livelihoods of quantifying the organic carbon. And it is also to be very greatly highlighted here that the kit will be distributed to further 25,000 farmers in the entire northeastern region. I request the Nectar officials to kindly proceed with the distribution of the smartphones to the farmers. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, every day we are enjoying our food, and it is only through these farmers that we are able to enjoy the organic, the natural food which is grown in our own state. So please don't hesitate, give a very big round of applause.
No, I think it's very much in keeping with the high priority that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been giving to the Northeast region ever since he took over for the first time in 2014. His personal outreach is evident from the fact that he has made more than 65 almost visits to Northeast, which is possibly more than the total number of visits made by any of the preceding Prime Ministers so far. And the entire Northeast is now being cited as a model of development by the Modi government. There's a huge transformation. This is to be seen, to be believed, and only those who have seen it before 2014 can actually appreciate it. There were at least 3-4 states, including Meghalaya, where people had never seen a train. Today you have a network of roads, you have a network of rails, you have airports in some of those territories which were left unattended, including Shillong, didn't have a proper airport before this government came. So keeping up that, living up to that spirit, this institution is also a personification of that, because this institution, Nectar, also came up during the Modi government. It started in 2014. Initially it was being operated from Delhi, then it moved over to Shillong in the post-COVID era, sometimes around 2021 or so, but they didn't have a campus of their own, and I'm glad today they have laid the foundation stone and performed the ceremony of coming up with their own building. So this is an institution which is catering to entire Northeast and living up to that by way of imparting technologies for startups, for entrepreneurship, for bamboo, and also for diverse missions like Mission Honey, Mission Bee, and I'm glad that they are now focusing on saffron. And incidentally, the other priority area Prime Minister Modi has been Jammu and Kashmir, and Jammu and Kashmir saffron got the GI tag very recently. So after Jammu and Kashmir, Northeast possibly is going to be the next saffron hub of India. So two territories, both J&K and Northeast, which did not receive adequate attention by the earlier governments, have actually lived up to the resolve which Prime Minister Modi had committed to, that of raising them to the same level as the other developed countries. And I'm sure this, the role and the contribution of Nectar would lead to the evolution of Atmanirbhar Northeast, the Viksit Northeast, which will then also contribute to the making of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit.